Hey everyone, I just thought I would show you a closer look at some of my grow lights that are in my indoor kitchen garden. So this particular model is the MaxiSun MF1000, and you can see I have 3 of them up here. So these are some really solidly built, good quality lights, and they have bunches of LED. So these are the Samsung LED 350 little lights. And up here we have the Meanwell driver, and the reflector is aluminum, so it makes it very shiny for reflecting your light down. And also, you know, aluminum's a little bit lighter weight. These are about 4 pounds. And the lights will last 100,000 hours, so you never have to replace light bulbs with these. This draws 100 watts, and the coverage is about 2.5 feet by 2.5 feet, depending on how high you have them above your plants. And that is one of the advantages, is you can put them at different heights easily with these cords. Yeah, and so they do have these pulley cords, so then you do need to kind of wrangle them up top or down here. They give you plenty of cord. Yeah, I like to angle them a little bit away so that they're not as bright, you know, shining in my eyes when I'm working in the kitchen. You do have the ability to daisy chain these. So like this power cord I have going into this one, and then out, and then into that one, so that I only really need to plug the one on the end in. And they do each have their own on and off switch. They're all, you can change the setting, so the difference in the light, you can do 10% up to 100% with the remote control. So I'm going to go and turn on the lights now so you can kind of see them. Okay, so hopefully that's not too bright behind me. I'm going to actually start turning these off. There we go. You can see how nicely that lit that up. I have some a little bit higher for my taller plants, and then when you have the seedlings, of course, as they grow, you can either lift the light up, or you can change the brightness of the light. Turn that one back on, and we'll change it to 100%. Ooh, now that's awfully bright. And back down to 10%. That's what I've been keeping it on recently. Okay, so there you have it. That is what I'm using on the top level right now of my kitchen garden. And these are the MaxiSun MF1000. I'll put a link to them in the description. I do notice that they are on sale for like half price right now on Amazon, or almost half price. Yeah, they're a really good deal. I'm not sure if they're discontinuing them or what, but the price is actually really good. And even when they're not on sale, these are really well worth it. And I do like the reflectors so that it keeps the light directed where you want it to go. Thank you for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time.